Understanding the phrase, hang one's hat on. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English expression, hang one's hat on. This phrase is not just about hats or hanging them somewhere, but it's a colorful way to convey a deeper meaning in conversations or writings. Let's explore what this phrase means, how you can use it, and some examples to help you master it. The phrase, hang one's hat on, is an idiomatic expression used to talk about relying on or being confident in something. Imagine hanging your hat on a sturdy hook. You trust that the hook will hold your hat. Similarly, when you say you hang your hat on an idea, fact, or piece of evidence, it means you strongly believe in it or depend on it for support. Using hang one's hat on in conversation or writing shows that you have a strong belief in the reliability or truth of something. It's often used in contexts where someone wants to express confidence in their justification, reasoning, or the quality of something. For example, I hang my hat on the quality of my work, knowing it speaks for itself. You can't hang your hat on a rumor, we need solid evidence. It's a versatile phrase, suitable for both formal and informal situations, but it's especially powerful in arguments or discussions where credibility and trust are at stake. Let's look at some examples to see how it fits into sentences. 1. The company's success isn't something you can hang your hat on, it's been declining for years. 2. She hangs her hat on her academic achievements when applying for scholarships. 3. We need something more reliable to hang our hats on before making a final decision. These examples show how the phrase can be adapted to different subjects. I, you, she, we, and situations, highlighting its flexibility and usefulness in English communication. Understanding and using idiomatic expressions like hang one's hat on can enrich your English, making your communication more vibrant and nuanced. Remember, it's all about expressing trust or confidence in something. We hope this video helps you confidently incorporate this phrase into your English vocabulary. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.